Hello student, myself Mukesh Kumar, PGT Math of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Barmer. I have in my last classes introduced about some problem of exercise 3.2. Now I am going to provide you a study material of remaining some important question, that is question number 13, question number 16, 18 and if time is possible remaining question. So we are going to start solution of question number 13. 13 question is if fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, then we have to show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. So watch here, it is given that f of x equal to this function. So what is the value of f of x? First you write the value of f of x. F of x equal to cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. That means 3 row and 3 columns. Again similar way you write the value of f of y. So in place of x in this same function you write y. So this will equal to cos y sin y 0 minus sin y cos y 0 0 0 1 x into f of y. So f of x into f of y is equal to, see here, to multiply these two matrices, it is necessary that first matrix have same column and second matrix have same row. So this has 3 columns and this has 3 row. So we can multiply it. So multiply this R1 to C1. Multiply R1 to C1. So what happens? This becomes cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0, and similarly below it sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y plus 0, and here is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this is your first row. Second row will be cos x multiplied to this term. Here is your minus sin y, cos y and 0. So this can be written as cos x into sin y, take minus sign here, plus minus sin x into minus cos x, minus cos y into sin x, and below this sin y into sin y, minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y, and after that 0 into sin y, fx into fy, LHS is here, fx into fy, fx into fy is equal to, multiply this R1 to C1. So cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y 0 into 0. This is here. Sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0 is here. Again 0 into cos y, 0 into sin y, and 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to here. Again multiply this R1 to C1. So cos x into minus sin y minus sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y, and again 0 into 0 is here 0. Again sin x into sin y, cos x into cos y plus 0 is equal to here, and again 0 into some minus sin y, 0 into cos y, 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Again see here, 0 into cos x minus sin x into 0, and 0 into 1 is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Again sin x into 0, so again similarly you will get 0 plus 0 into 0. But check the last term, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. So this is your important formula, that cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This will equal to cos x plus y. You have to keep your memory from class 11th that cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Again see here, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. This is important formula, sin x plus y. If you take minus is common, then this is like this form. Here will be sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y. So this is again sin x plus y. And here cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. See here, these two are same. So this can be written as cos x plus y. And here will be 0, 0, 0, 1. So you will get the value of fx into f of y. Then now calculate the value of f of x plus y. F of x plus y. This can be written as, put here f of x is equal to, this function is given in the matrix form. So put in place of x you write x plus y. So here will be, you will write here, say here cos x. So you may write cos x plus y. Below it sin x. So you may write sin x plus y. And below it 0. So you must write 0. And here is minus sin x. So you write minus sin. In place of x you have to write x plus y. And here is cos x. So you may write cos x plus y. And below it 0, 0, 0, 1. So what you are seeing? Both the terms are same. That means from here you can conclude that f of x plus y is equal to fx into f of y. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. So in this way we will get, once again revise and try to solve it in your copy. Won't practice, do practice. I hope you will get the solution correctly. Again next question is your, if A is equal to, matrix A is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, then we have to show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha, where I is a 2 cross 2 identity matrix. I hope you are clear about the identity matrix. Identity matrix, a matrix having diagonal elements is 1 and remaining element is 0. So come to solution of exercise question number 18. Question number 18 का solution देखें हम लोग. So calculate the value of I plus 1. I plus A, not 1, I plus A. Here LHS is I plus A. So I plus A. I plus A is equal to, I will is a identity matrix of 2 cross 2. So this will equal 1, 0, 0, 1 plus A. A is given here. What is A? 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 and 0. So if you add, we can add it. Why? Because both have same order. दोनों का order same है, इसीलिए इसको हम add कर सकते हैं. So this will, adding we will get 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. Here will be minus sign. So it correctly minus sign tan alpha by 2 and 1. So adding we will get same result. Again take the RHS. RHS is your I minus A. So this can be written as 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A. A is 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2, 0. So this will be equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 2 minus plus, because we have to subtract here. 1 minus 0, 0 minus tan alpha by 2. So here will be sign will be plus tan alpha by 2. So 0 minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1 minus 0 is your 1. So we will get, see here correct is, this sign is your minus sign, minus, so you will get 1 minus tan alpha by 2 minus plus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 or 1 minus 0 is 1. So we will get the value of I minus 1. Then multiply this term with cos alpha minus sin alpha tan alpha. So I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So put the value of I minus a. So I minus a is your 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1 into cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So this is a matrix of 2 cross 2. Here is also a matrix of 2 cross 2. So first column and second row of the matrix are same. So we can multiply it. So multiply this R1 to C1. So this will be equal to, check here, this will be equal to, this is equal to 1 into cos alpha is your cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. First term is only this, and below it minus tan alpha into cos alpha minus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2 plus sin alpha. Remaining is 1 2 minus sin alpha. So minus sin alpha into plus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2, and remaining this we will get minus tan alpha to this sin alpha. So we will get minus into minus plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Check it is correct or not. Once again check it. So 1 to cos alpha, tan alpha to sin alpha, tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha, cos alpha to minus tan alpha, minus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2, or 1 into sin alpha, again minus sin alpha to 1, minus sin alpha, and cos alpha to tan alpha by 2, cos alpha into tan alpha by 2, again cos alpha to minus sin alpha, minus plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2, and 1 to cos alpha is your cos alpha. So we have to solve it and try to get this will equal to this number. So again I am going to solve this question. So this can be written as, here this tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So solving we will get this will be equal to, so this will be equal to cos alpha sin tan alpha in place of tan alpha by 2 we can write sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, and taking LCM this can be written as cos alpha into cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha into sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So is equal to, and similarly here in place of tan alpha by 2 write sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So minus cos alpha into sin alpha by 2 plus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2, and here minus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2, minus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha into sin alpha by 2, cos alpha into sin alpha by 2 into this will be equal to sin alpha into sin alpha by 2, sin alpha into sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha into cos alpha by 2 divided by whole divided by cos alpha by 2 and this whole divided by cos alpha by 2. So check here an important formula, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So this will be equal to cos alpha minus alpha by 2 whole divided by cos alpha by 2, and similarly here this will be equal to cos A into cos B sin A into sin B. So this will be your, if you take minus h common, So this will be equal to cos A into cos B, sin A into sin B. Here is an important formula, sin alpha minus alpha by 2 but a cos alpha by 2. And check here. Here is also same formula, cos A into cos B, sin A into sin B. So this can be written as sin alpha minus alpha by 2 but a cos alpha by 2. And similarly, here will be sin A into sin B, cos A into cos B. So we can write here cos alpha minus alpha by 2 but a cos alpha by 2. So check here. Here is cos alpha by 2 but a cos alpha by 2. And here is again cos alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. So this both becomes equal to 1. So we will write here 1. This is your minus tan alpha by 2. Here will be tan alpha by 2 and here will again 1. So we will prove that this will LHS is equal to RHS. So I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. So we will come next problem. See here question number 16. If A is equal to 102, 020, 213, then we have to prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to 0. So first I am going to calculate the value of A square. This A square can be written as A into A. So first I have written matrix A 102, 020, 213 and these are same matrix and multiply this matrix. See here, check. You have to check the multiplication. So 1 into 1 is your 1 plus 0 into 0 is your 0 and 2 into 2 is your 4. Again 1 into 0 is 1, 2 into 0 is 0 and plus 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 plus 6. Again come to second column. So this will equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 0. So here it will be 0. 0 into 2, 2 into 0. Again 0. So 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. And 1 into 0 is 0. So 0, 4 plus 0. Again come 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 3 into 0, 0. So we can write 0 plus 0 plus 0. And again come to C3. So this will be equal to 1 into 2 is your 2 plus 0 plus 6. 3 into 2, 6. Again come 0 into 2, 0 plus 4 plus 1. 0 plus 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1 is 2, not 3. Here will be 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. Again 2 into 2, 4 plus 0 plus 9. So this will becomes 4, 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 0, 4, 0, 8, 5, 13. Check it is correct or not. Then we will calculate the value of A cube. So our answer will be 4, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, that is wrong. Here will be 5, 1 plus 4 is your, here will be 5, 5, 0, 8, 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5 and 8, 0, 13. Here again check here. This is, here is also incorrect. 0 into this term, we have to check here. So 0 into 0, so this will be 0. So 0, 2 into 2 is your 2, 2, 4, 5. So now it is correct. Again come to calculate the value of A cube. A cube will be A square into A. So put the value of here. A square will be 508 and that is 245 and here is 8013. 8013. Check it is written correctly or not. So go check it. 508, 245 and 8013 and multiply this term. So multiply this R1 to this 7. 5 into 1 is your 5. 0 into 0, 0 or 8 into 2, 16. Again multiply 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 plus 10. Again multiply 8 into 1, 8 plus 0 plus 26 and come to here and multiply 5 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 2, 0 and 8 into 0, 0. Again 0 into 2, 0 plus 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, again 0 and 13 into 8 into 0, 8 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0 and 13 into 0, again 0. So again last term will be multiply this R3 to this, 5 into 2, 10, 0 into 1, 0 and 8 into 3, 24. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1, 4 and 5 into 3, 15. So this will your 8 into 2, 16 plus 0 plus 39. So solving we will get this will be equal to 21, 12, 34, 0, 8, 0. This will your 10 plus 24, 34, 5 4 plus 4 8 and 8 plus 15, 23, 8, 23 and this will your 5 and this is your 55. So check it is correct or not. Here will be equal to 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55. So this is correct. Now we have to prove this result. This result is your, we have to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. We have to show this result. So a cube means we have to write here, this is a matrix 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 minus 6a square. Multiply this whole term by 6. So if you multiply by 6, so this will equal to 6 into 5, 30, 0, 48, 6 multiply to 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 4, 24 and 6 into 5, 30, 8 into 6, 48 and this is your 0 and 30, 78. There 13 into 6, 78 and last term will be 34, 23, 55 minus 48 minus 30 minus 78 plus 14 plus 7 plus 21 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. So check it is correct or not. So here check here 7 plus 2 9 and 9 plus 21 30, 30 minus 30 this will equal to 0. So this is correct. Again check 12 minus 12 again 0. 34 into 14, 34 into 4, 38 into 10, 48 minus 48 again 0. Again check here 0 and minus 0, 0 and here 12 plus 14 plus 2, 16 and 16 plus 8, 24, 24 minus 24 is 0. Again this is 0 and check here 44 plus 10, 48 minus 48 again 0. So this is your 27 plus 7, 30 minus 30 is your 0 and again here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 78 minus 70 is again 0. So we will get 0 into 0, 0, 0. So all terms is 0. That means this is equal to 0. So we have shown that a cube minus 3a 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. Similarly, we try to solve all the remaining question of exercise 3.2. Dear student, if you feel any problem, then contact on my email ID. Thank you.